This Halloween scared the crap out of the kids, safe in the knowledge you're getting firmer, more radiant skin with a brand new CurrentBody Skin LED Light Therapy Mask, Series 2 no less. I know what you're thinking, oh, not another LED mask, I've seen all this before, but this one comes with a first of its kind guarantee, which I'll explain. I have a whole playlist of LED devices I've reviewed over the years, and I'm going to give you 3 things I love about this and 1 thing which really makes it stand out from the other devices, so you can decide whether it's worth buying or not. As always, these are my own views and opinions, but CurrentBody did send me this mask for free. But first of all, what on earth is it? It's a soft liquid silicone mask with 236 LEDs that emit red light. Why do I need red light, I hear you say? Imagine your skin cells are workers in a factory, but as they're getting older, they're tired, less productive, so your skin ages. But if you give them all a big boost of energy, all of a sudden they start behaving like they did 20 years ago. They act like younger, healthier cells, specifically the ones called fibroblasts, which produce collagen. They start pumping out tons more collagen to give you firmer, smoother skin. The energy they need is called ATP, and that is provided to them through red light therapy, also known as photobiomodulation. These studies, which I'll link below, show red light has been proven to boost ATP levels in skin and reverse aging. This mask has the 3 clinically recognized wavelengths for anti-aging, and it's the first mask I've seen which has all 3. So red light at 633 nanometers reduces fine lines and wrinkles on the surface and improves texture. Near infrared at 830 nanometers energizes cells deeper in the skin, producing collagen, making skin brighter. Then you have deep near infrared at 1072 nanometers, which goes 10 millimeters into your skin, where aging is most pronounced under the eyes and around the mouth, to treat deep wrinkles. You just attach this to your head. You've got a Velcro fastener at the back, and there's 2 straps on each side, and you can adjust each individually. Then you have this controller. You hold down the button here. It will run for 10 minutes and turn itself off, and you're done. CurrentBody say this is proven to perform. You can see a reduction in wrinkles and firmer, brighter, smoother skin in just 4 weeks. I've personally been using red light therapy for several years. It does make a difference. You get a very healthy glow, and people will notice, they'll comment and say you look really healthy. But I personally only see it when I look back at photos of myself or from videos when I was using it every day. That's when I really see the difference. Things I love about this mask. Number 1, with these types of masks, it normally has 1 strap and the mask kind of flops about. It doesn't sit right against your skin. So this has 4 adjustable straps, and each one can be adjusted by Velcro so it fits against your skin. But there's also one that goes around the top, because what else happens? Normally the weight of the mask generally pulls down on the straps and it doesn't stay in place. So this goes over the top of your head to support the weight. It's all very easy to adjust, very simple but genius. And I do feel they work really hard on the design. It treats your lips as well, and the shape is absolutely perfect, whether you're male, female, whether you've got a round, square, rectangular face. Somehow they made it to be able to fit all face shapes. Second thing I love is you can fit this into your day without making any special effort. So if you're super lazy or super busy, this is for you. Some of the red light devices you have to lay underneath for 20 minutes, like the Dermalux Flex, which I love, and you can see a video about that here. But with this, you just stick it on for 10 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week, and you can sit in front of your computer, do the housework. It really won't interfere with your day. And that means you're more likely to persist with it rather than giving up. There's also a clip on the controller, so you can put this on your pocket or your jumper, whatever. The third thing I love about this is that it comes with an NFC card that you can scan on your phone, and it gives you the date it was manufactured. It shows all the tests which it has passed. That gives you a guarantee that you are getting the coverage and precision which you don't get with any other companies. These device manufacturers normally cite studies they've done, but there's no way to know if the device that you actually receive is performing as they say it should, or if it's been through strict quality testing. This is a brainwave, and it's sure to change the beauty device industry moving forward. Now to the feature which really stands out for me. This mask comes with these little eye inserts. I'm just going to show you the difference. So this one has the eye insert fitted and this one doesn't. It allows you to use your computer or read without the glare from the mask distracting you. I've not seen this feature on any other mask I've ever reviewed. The mask costs £399, that's $469 or 449 €9. But if you use the code 10years at checkout, you will get a saving. It comes with a cable, and one charge will give you 10 treatments. As I mentioned, it comes with the card, and it comes with a very in-depth instruction book in all different languages. It also has free delivery in the UK and the US, and it's FDA cleared if that's important to you. You get a 2-year warranty as well. If you get any allergic reaction, you can return it within 14 days for a refund. Always read the instructions and avoid this if you get epilepsy, migraines, and it can react with certain medications, which can cause skin sensitivity. So check with your doctor if you're unsure. So should you buy this device? If you're someone who wants to improve the appearance of your skin without any effort at all, then yes, red light treatment would be the easiest home treatment for you, providing that you're going to be consistent with it. If you're someone who's already very much into skincare and you spend a lot of time on that, then you can get more professional machines you lay underneath, like the Dermalux Flex, which I reviewed here, but that is much more expensive. There are many studies showing the efficacy of red light, which backs up this device, but on top of that you have the guarantee that it will do what it says on the tin. This particular mask has more wavelengths and better features than any other on the market at the moment. So in my view, I would say go for it, and I do actually love this. If this is over your budget, CurrentBody do have regular promotions and Black Friday, so you could wait for that and use my code 10years on top to get an even bigger saving. If you use any red light device, please comment below, let me know which one you use and how's it going for you, or if there's any other device you want me to cover, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, it would really help my channel, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and happy Halloween. Have fun scaring the kids.